We are on an unstoppable path toward a celestial event so grand, so profound that it will reshape the very fabric of our night sky. Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor, is hurtling toward us at an astonishing speed of 110 kilometers per second. This isn't science fiction. This isn't a distant, abstract idea. This is happening right now. Despite its staggering velocity, this merger will not be a cataclysmic crash but a slow-motion ballet, playing out over billions of years. Stars will be scattered, entire solar systems will shift, and the sky above us will become a masterpiece of light and chaos. The gravitational interactions will create celestial tsunamis of energy, warping space-time itself in ways we can scarcely imagine. Imagine standing on Earth a few billion years from now. The familiar constellations we've known for millennia will be gone, replaced by a swirling, luminous mass stretching across the heavens. Andromeda will no longer be a distant smudge in our telescopes. It will dominate the night sky, an overwhelming force of nature that reminds us of the grand cosmic scale in which we exist. You might think we have billions of years before the real collision begins, but in reality, the merger is already underway. The invisible halos of Andromeda and the Milky Way, vast clouds of hot gas and dark matter, have already begun to intertwine, exchanging material in ways we are only beginning to understand. Streams of hydrogen, long strands of cosmic debris, and even rogue stars are already being influenced by the gravitational pull of both galaxies. Thanks to the Hubble Space Telescope, astronomers have confirmed that Andromeda is on a direct collision course with the Milky Way. Precise measurements have removed any doubt. This cosmic fate is inevitable. Even now, high-energy cosmic rays bombard our solar system, silent harbingers of the forces shaping our future. When these two galaxies finally merge, they will not remain as distinct entities. They will combine into a new, even larger galaxy, Milkomeda. It will be an elliptical giant, a completely new cosmic entity born from the ashes of two spirals. Its very shape will be different, no longer defined by the elegant spirals of its progenitors, but by a more amorphous, glowing core stretching into the void. Before their visible collision, these galaxies are already interacting. Their outer halos, stretching millions of light-years beyond their visible boundaries, are brushing against each other like ghostly tendrils of intergalactic mist. These interactions create shock waves, setting the stage for an unprecedented reconfiguration of matter and energy. Astronomers have detected hypervelocity stars, rogue celestial bodies ejected from their home galaxies at unimaginable speeds. Some of them appear to be from Andromeda, flung toward the Milky Way as an early sign of the cosmic dance to come. When galaxies merge, stars do not collide, but they are thrown into new orbits, some even cast out into the lonely darkness of intergalactic space. We don't have to look far to understand what's in store for us. The antenna galaxies, 70 million light-years away, are already colliding, their once distinct structures stretching into long, luminous tendrils. This is our future, a glimpse into the spectacular transformation awaiting our own galaxy. When galaxies collide, stars don't usually smash into each other. Instead, vast clouds of gas are compressed, triggering an explosion of new star formation. The merger of Andromeda and the Milky Way will ignite celestial nurseries, birthing stars at a breathtaking rate. Supernovae will erupt in a cosmic fireworks display, enriching the surrounding space with the heavy elements necessary for planets, life, and the very building blocks of the universe. At the heart of both the Milky Way and Andromeda lurk supermassive black holes. When the two galaxies merge, these black holes will spiral toward one another, eventually combining in a violent outburst of energy that will ripple across the universe in the form of gravitational waves. These waves, distortions in the fabric of space-time itself will travel outward, carrying with them the echoes of a galaxy reborn. As the collision progresses, the spiral arms of both galaxies will distort and stretch. The serene patterns we see in the night sky today will be replaced by shifting, surreal structures of unparalleled beauty. The Milky Way's elegant bands of stars and interstellar dust will be drawn into Andromeda's gravitational embrace, weaving new patterns that have never been seen before. If humanity still exists billions of years from now, our descendants will look up at the sky and witness the final stages of this transformation. They will live in a galaxy reborn, no longer the Milky Way, no longer Andromeda, but something entirely new, a cosmic monument to change, survival, and the relentless march of time. Dark matter, the invisible framework of the universe, will also play a crucial role in this merger. Its gravitational influence will guide the galaxy's trajectories and determine the final shape of Milkomeda. Though we cannot see it, its presence will be the unseen hand that sculpts our cosmic destiny. This will not be a single event, but a drawn-out embrace lasting billions of years. The galaxies will pass through one another multiple times, stretching and reshaping before finally settling into a new cosmic identity. Streams of stripped stars will form ghostly arcs, visible only to those patient enough to watch eons unfold. Once the dust settles and the merger is complete, the resulting galaxy will be vastly different from either of its progenitors. The elegant spiral arms will be gone, replaced by an enormous elliptical structure, glowing softly in the cosmic dark. The relics of our past, stellar remnants, planetary debris, and forgotten moons, will find their place in this new celestial order. The birth of Milkomeda will mark the beginning of a new chapter in our cosmic history. Its stars, some ancient, some newly formed, will orbit a center where two once mighty supermassive black holes have merged into one. The energy released in this event will send ripples through the very bones of the universe, a final testament to the forces that shaped it. What happens to our solar system in this grand transformation? Scientists predict that while our sun may not collide with another star, it could be gravitationally nudged into a completely new position within the galaxy, or even ejected into the abyss of intergalactic space. If that happens, our descendants, if they still exist, may watch the Milky Way-Andromeda merger from an unimaginable distance, exiled from the home their ancestors once knew. This is not a singular event. The universe is in a constant state of transformation, with galaxies merging, stars being born, and cosmic structures evolving. We are part of a vast, dynamic cosmos, witnesses to its eternal dance, participants in a narrative written in stardust and gravity. Though our lives are fleeting compared to the lifetimes of galaxies, we are privileged to exist in this moment, to peer into the cosmos and understand the incredible journey that lies ahead. The story of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a reminder that the universe is alive, always moving, always changing, and we are part of its grand design. The Great Collision will come, not as an end, but as a new beginning. The universe will continue to evolve, just as it always has. And as long as there are minds to wonder, to dream, and to explore, the story of the cosmos will never truly end.